Raining out here. Squirrels love it. That little guy up there. Got a steady rain going. Been raining since last night. Oh, you need some more up there? Alright, I got them. There we go. Up. Look out, little fella. Let me add some of you. There you go. Okay. I'm getting wet. All right, all loaded up. Surprised there's not more out here, but it is actually early. This is around the time it really gets packed. The rain may be keeping them. But actually, squirrels usually love when it's raining. Cools things down. Yeah, they're all filled up over there. Gotta get ready soon. Go shopping. We do it on Saturday mornings. Pick up some seeds and peanuts, and birds, and blue jays, and squirrels. You know, we still got a couple, maybe 200 pounds of pecans if I have to go restock. Oh. But it's a good steady rain. A few squirrels starting to come over. Oh, there we go. Real good. Oh, big jump. Back into the bush. I'm getting soaked out here. It's a good steady rain. Crows are crowing. They're flying through. You got one, brother? Alright guys, I'm getting soaked. I even get back from shopping. The rain lets up. Alright, let me get shopping. I'll see you guys in a little while.